Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. Looking at this, it's from AQUAFYSH and it is amazing automatic pool cleaner, robot vacuum for your pool, and this is the 08 Pro, which is absolutely fantastic. Now, have you ever thought that you could clean your pool and you don't even have to do anything? Let the robot do the work for you. You're gonna sit back and have a drink. It's gonna be absolutely fantastic. And I'm gonna give you 5 reasons why this is an incredible robot vacuum. So number 5, I wanna show you this. Look at these big wheels, these big rubberized wheels right here. It's not gonna scratch and damage the inside of your pool, but on top of that, the big wheels, compared to some of the competition, is gonna allow it to go over bumps and hurdles and not get stuck, because a lot of these vacuums, you're gonna be pulling them out and moving them around. So this is a top-end robot vacuum that's not going to be getting stuck like some of them. The number 4 reason that this thing is absolutely fantastic is because AQUAFYSH has incredible AI. They've got some of the best AI in the business, and they're gonna map out your pool. They're gonna clean every square inch of the pool. They're gonna get up on the sides, go back and forth, and hit everything in the pool. A lot of these pool vacuums, it's gonna be hitting the same area over and over and missing spots. This thing does a great job of getting the entire pool because of the AI that they have built into this fantastic robot vacuum. On top of that, I gotta show you right here, number 3, the great suction. The suction power on this robot vacuum is bar none the best I've ever seen. This thing is sucking up large articles. You've got to see anything up to about that size. This is gonna get sucked up into here. That's pieces of leaves, that's dirt, debris, sand. We all know what gets in the bottom of the pool. A lot of weird hair, surprisingly. This thing does a great job of picking it up. On top of that, it is wildly easy to clean out. Okay, see this filter right here? You've got the filter. This thing cleans right out with a garden hose, and you're gonna be able to use it again and again because of a great product. So that's number 2. All right, now we've covered a lot of cool things. We've got the great wheels here. We've got the powerful suction, the AI, and the easy to clean out. But on top of that, it's the great quality, This thing is built to last. It's sturdy, it's strong, and it's powerful. And as a bonus, we're gonna give another one, is the incredible lithium ion battery they built in. Forget nickel cadmium, forget the iron batteries and the copper batteries. The lithium ion batteries, the powerful batteries we have here, are built to last. They're gonna go for a long period of time. You're gonna be able to do your pool without having to recharge it. But on top of that, lithium ion batteries are just smart technology because they don't have that battery memory that each time it takes a charge is a little bit less. These things, you're gonna be able to charge them again and again, clean your pool for years. It's absolutely fantastic. All right, folks, this is a great AQUAFYSH robot vacuum. This is the premier line from the premier brand. The big wheels, the rubberized wheels to protect the bottom of your pool. The big bin, this actually has a huge bin for collecting dirt and debris, which is fantastic. You're not cleaning it out all the time, and when you do clean it out, just spray it out with a hose. Great quality materials, great quality product, the big lithium ion battery, and the incredible suction. I don't know what you're doing, folks. If you haven't picked it up yet, you're amiss. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products that we truly love, and guess what? This guy is absolutely fantastic. Go ahead and pick yours up. You won't be disappointed. And you know what else? Stick around, because I've got the up-close portion of the video where you get to see it all up close and in detail, everything about this fantastic robot vacuum that's built to last. Thanks again for watching, and stick around for the up-close portion of the video. All right, folks, I gotta show you before we get to the up-close portion of the video. This is really neat. It actually vacuumed up this big old receipt out of the bottom of the pool. I didn't know if it would be able to get something that large, but that is quite impressive. Kudos to this fantastic pool vacuum. All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of this fantastic video. This is really a fantastic device. I'm very much looking forward to it. This is a smart robot, kind of where I show you the up-close. Now, this is suitable for any in-ground pool and above-ground pool. This thing is great because it really climbs and it does a great powerful suction. It has a powerful lithium ion pool battery. This is 22.2 volts DC. It's the model 08 Pro, and this thing is fantastic. All right, So it's Aqua, AQUAFYSH, AQUAFYSH. And AQUAFYSH, again, making great products that you're going to love. Now, easy charging, just flip right up here, and you clip this on and plugs into 110. All right, go ahead and cover it up when you're not charging to give it a little bit of protection from the water and things of the sort. Then from there, we go ahead and if you want to open this bad boy up, let me go ahead and turn it up this way. Go ahead and open it up here. You can see the suction comes in from this part and then gets filtered here to clean up your dirt and debris. Easy peasy. And then the excess water filters back out that way. This has a surprising amount of suction. Okay. I'm going to flip it over here so you can see it. It's going to have good movement, left, right, and it's just going to zigzag with a smart and intelligent cordless design around your pool. All right, so what else does it come with? Obviously, you see here it does have the hook that you put on your own pole. It does come with a couple extra set of treads, the 110 charger, and the small particle sleeve, as well as an extra brush and an extra filter with the rubber end here and the extra filter. So, we're talking about a revolution for pool cleaning. You're not gonna have to get in your pool. I used to just empty out my entire 1,500-gallon pool every time the bottom got too nasty. Not anymore with this AQUAFYSH, right? You're going to love it. It's a revolutionary pool cleaning machine. All right, so what else can I show you here? It says drive, auto start, cordless and hoseless, rechargeable lithium-ion battery. That's the good stuff. Those iron and copper ones used to have a battery memory that was no good. This lasts for a long period of time and is so powerful. Easy to clean, you can just rinse it out. And ultra light for effortless handling. It's the ELF08 series, smart, safe, and easy to use intelligent robot cordless vacuum cleaner. You're gonna wanna go ahead and pick this up. You will not be disappointed. Let's give you one more tour. This reminds me of those cool Tyco turbo hopper type cars we had as a kid that were so awesome. Look at this, great wheels, intelligent design, and this thing's gonna zig and zag and clean your entire pool. It's gonna huff and it's gonna puff and it's gonna clean your pool. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I show you the coolest products on the planet. This is a lot of fun. Makes cleaning fun. Aqua, AQUAFYSH. It's the shark of the water. All right, thanks again for watching. Go ahead and pick yours up. You will not be disappointed. God, great rubberized feet too. That's gonna make a difference. The big wheels, I gotta tell you, the big wheels are a big selling point for me because it's gonna be able to get over dirt and debris. It's gonna be able to get around in that tub and not get stuck. Some of those ones, the tiny wheels, get stuck all the time and you gotta go in and fish them out. Not with this bad boy. All right, go ahead and pick yours up. You won't be disappointed. Adam, Elite Demonstrations. Adios, amigos.